Video 3, Plastic Prep for Vinyl Graphics Installation. I chose pure acetone for this project, but you can use Goo Off or anything like that, alcohol-based. See, this is what I had laying around the house. Make sure you try this out in an inconspicuous area to make sure it's compatible with your plastics. If you can see what I'm looking at right here, when you remove stickers, you get that goo. Right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your acetone or whatever you're using, rub firmly but not super hard on the areas where the leftover goo is. Okay, again, you may have different results. I'm not really caring because these are going to be wrapped. You see how it comes off? See how you got that goo still left over on there? So you're just going to go ahead and reapply. Like I said, don't put a lot of pressure. You don't want to scrub on it. Just use just firm enough pressure to get the gunk off of it. I'm using this side plastics as a demonstration. Notice I'm not removing the factory sticker from it. I'm actually using the acetone over the top of it to show that it's only going to affect the gunk. So as you can see, there's no discoloration so far to the sticker or the integrity of the plastic, but acetone does tend to heat things up and it can melt certain plastics, so please keep that in mind. Go ahead and just keep on applying and rubbing down the entire plastics that you're working on. See, there's a little piece of plastic I missed, a little decal. Go ahead and rub it, and that stuff, that sticky decal residue will come right off. This is pretty important so you can get a good adhesion for the graphics when you put them on. Again, don't put a lot of pressure on it. Just keep the rag pretty damp. This had probably 10 to 15 stickers on this one side plastic when I peeled them off. You're almost done at this point. Just one more step. I went ahead and used a red towel. I suggest using a microfiber towel for this step because you're going to wipe off all the residue and make sure everything's clean. See? Squeaky clean. Hey, while you're here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for future notifications, and as always, thank you for watching.